So we've come to undertake a building survey on this terrace property here today, and we're just going to run through some of the things we need to think about before we get the drone out to undertake the higher level elements. So the first thing to think about is that today is very sunny, so we need to make sure we've got sunglasses on because we're going to inadvertently be looking high up and we don't want to suddenly get blinded by the sun. The next thing, it's mid-October doing this. It's quite cold today, so we need to make sure that we've got warm clothes on, because if not, our fingers will get very cold very quickly, and that's going to affect how we're able to control the aircraft. So we're going to look at what we need what we've got in the way of obstacles that we need to make sure we deal with before we get the drone up in the air. So we've got a road, so we need to obviously keep an eye if we're walking around there. We've got traffic coming up and down the road, so we need to make sure we preferably do the survey while the road is quiet, and that isn't going to present a problem. We're going to be looking up at the drone while we're stood on the other side of the road. So other hazards that we need to deal with. We've got a bin that's partially blocking the passageway. Then we've got a gate straight in front, so we want to make sure that's open before we go in the air. We've got a doormat that we might end up tripping over as we go down the passageway. And then we've got a gate that's stopping us getting immediate access into the back garden, which we need because we need to make sure we keep the drone in visual line of sight.